Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to make crochet hook holder or crochet pen holder. This is what it looks like. Before we get started, we need to prepare all the materials. We need 2 yarns, 1, 2, we need 1 scissor, we need 1 yarn needle, we need 1 crochet hook with 8/0 or 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. Then, after putting it back here, let's hide the excess part. Place your yarn needle here on this part to hide it, to hide the excess yarn. Like that. Then this one, your excess yarn, put it in your yarn needle. Like this. Now place our excess yarn here in your needle. Then we will pull it. Just pull it. Pull your excess yarn needle. Now let's pull it. Like that. Then let's cut it. That's it. Then after this, we will make this part. You can choose any color combination of this color blue yarn. For this ribbon, I choose color yellow. Let's put a color yellow ribbon here. Let's get started. I choose color yellow for the ribbon. Now let's make a knot. This is how to make a knot. Now let's make 25 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now, we made our 25 chains. Now, let's put it here. Let's put it here at row 14.